If you're in your 20s or 30s and still broke, it's not your fault. You were never taught money. Not in school. Not at home. But here's the truth, you don't need to be a finance nerd to be rich. You just need a system, a rich life that runs automatically, while you sleep, eat, dream. That's what Ramit Sethi teaches, and today, in just 10 minutes, I'll break down the exact steps he gives to design your dream lifestyle. Welcome to I will teach you to be rich, not someday, but now. The rich don't obsess over lattes. They focus on the big wins. Ramit's philosophy is simple: spend extravagantly on what you love and cut costs mercilessly on what you don't. Want to buy $5 coffee every day? Fine. But automate your savings, crush your debt, and grow your income first. That's how real wealth is built, without sacrificing joy. You've been sold invisible scripts your whole life. Money is complicated. Investing is risky. Only lucky people get rich. Ramit calls BS. These beliefs keep you stuck. True freedom begins when you challenge the noise and create your own money story, one built on clarity, not confusion. Imagine your paycheck landing in your account and instantly being divided: 10% to savings, 15% to investments, 5% to a dream vacation fund. All automatic. No budgeting drama. No missed payments. This system turns lazy people into millionaires. That's the magic of automation. It works while you live your life. Debt feels like drowning. But with the right plan, you rise above it. Ramit teaches you how to rank your debts, negotiate lower interest rates, and automate payments so they vanish month by month. You don't fight debt with shame, you fight it with strategy. Forget boring budgets. Use a conscious spending plan. It's not about restriction, it's about intention. 50 to 60% goes to fixed costs. 10% to investments. 10% to savings. And 20 to 30%? That's guilt-free spending, yes, for the fun stuff. You deserve a plan that includes joy. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Ramit's rule: just get it 85% right. Don't wait to master every investment strategy. Don't wait to get rich before you enjoy life. Start now. Messy action beats perfect intentions every time. You don't need to be Warren Buffett to invest. You don't even need to check the stock market. Ramit recommends low-cost index funds. Set it. Forget it. And watch compound growth do its thing. This is how you quietly become a millionaire with zero stress. What's your rich life? For one person, it's flying first class. For another, it's never cooking again. For you, it could be freedom from money anxiety forever. Ramit's message: you define it. You build it. You live it. Not someday, today. You're one decision away from a different life. Stop waiting. Start now. Automate your finances. Spend consciously. Invest fearlessly. Live richly. Because the real flex? It's not flashy cars or designer clothes. It's freedom. And freedom is built, brick by brick, with every dollar you take control of. Ramit Sethi didn't just write a book. He gave us the blueprint. Now it's your turn to build.